slow, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go.
Yo, what is good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you guys following along. I guess you guys can see from the thumbnail, today we are doing the front end. Yes, we're going to be doing the grill, and we're going to be doing the active grill shutter, or whatever you want to call it. We're going to be deleting that. So that's pretty much the gist of it. Oh, and I'm going to be putting the brace part covers on as well. So let's just jump right into today's video. Let's go. Alright, what we're going to do is start by popping the hood. Jeez, got a clean bone stock V58. And to remove the grills, it's extremely easy. There's tons of videos on it, but we just basically pop these clips in and pull them out. So let me grab my little panel tool. Alright, so a lot of videos you see them doing this. They always start from the outside right here, which is cool, but it's actually best if you start from here because of the way it's angled. And this is in real time. I mean, it's literally was that easy, as you can see, and that was seconds. And if we come over here, start on the outside, just a little pop right here, a little pop. Pop, pop, and just like that, stock grills are out. And if you don't want to delete the active, then you can literally just slap the new grills right in over that, and these will still function with aftermarket grills. But obviously, I want to expose the brace bars, and at the same time, just more active air. So let me go ahead and get these out of the way. What we're going to want to do is we're going to want to put the car basically in auxiliary, or there's different demo, and there's just different versions of names that you can do it. But you're going to want to go in there and you're going to hit the on and off button a few times, and these are going to actively stay open, which is going to help us get the job done. And it's a quick process, so here, let me do that real quick. Alright, so on my car, for some reason, I'm not able to get the flaps to open. I keep trying to put it in diagnostic mode, and for some reason it's just not working out for me. I don't know, maybe I'm doing it wrong. I also don't know what I'm doing. So I'm going to show you guys how you can still do this, removing them, with the them not being open. So this is my method of doing it. This is just a quick way to do it. In here there's a lever right here and a lever up here. This one will be more challenging to do, but at least I'll get this side cut. So there's obviously, if you can get this open, it'd be a lot easier. You can just cut these right away if you want, and you can move them around and make it easier. But I'm just gonna cut the arm that's right there straight down with my Sawzall. This takes, 1 second, makes it easy. There's no need to try to fight it and make multiple cuts. You also got to be careful and be confident with it. But I mean, I'm pretty good with this thing. So as you can see, just real quick, just so that one's already cut now, and you can see they all flapped open. And then so it's up to you how you want to do it. You can cut these all. I can use these right here, my dikes, and you can just literally cut them right at the bottom. Just cut it. Cut it. A little pry into it. Cut the flap. There you go. Falls in, and there's a little clip right here. And you just pop out. It's literally that simple. Just do it to each one. See? There you go. This one's gonna come right out. So you go. Just like that. All right, different angle, but so as you can see, they can all come out as one. You can get rid of this thing up here once you cut the bottom. So cut it, cut it, cut, 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 and this literally will just pop down, and then they all come out. Just like every other video you've seen, just the shutter wasn't open to initially start, you know, and then all these just literally are gonna, little nipples, and you can just spin them and they come out. Cut them too good, and there we go. Okay, so that side's done. This thing is pretty much just gonna be there like that. It'll move up and down. Brace bar is exposed, and so now this one is the harder one. That lever's up there on the top, so what I'm gonna do to make it easier is just start by cutting this side, like this. Now that I have it cut, I can get in there better with my cutter. There we go. So these are, I can move them out of the way now, and then I'll bring you in closer so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, so you can see that lever right there is cut, and then this lever is right there. You see it? It's a little up high right here. So I just need to cut that. That's why I move these out of the way. Just cut that lever, and then just repeat the thing. You can see it's real simple. So once I cut that, just do the same process. Really, really easy. Now what I'm gonna try to do is really slowly try to cut that right here without damaging anything. Just like that, real quick. The lever's cut, nothing's messed up. Now we just literally just come to the bottom on these. See, they all move. Right here. Boom. 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 Okay. Just like that. In real time. So, no editing, no questions on how to do it. It's just, there you go. It's just like that. In real time, pull all these little pieces out. Like the bottom. I'm not even sure if you have to remove these or not. I cut them really low, so they're kind of hard to get out. And if you have that issue, I'm gonna just grab a screwdriver. Just a pick tool. So, and that's just so that you can spin it and then get underneath it and push up. And that's just if you're paranoid about leaving this plastic in there. It's not gonna do anything though. Spin it. There we go. Takes longer than getting rid of it. Well, that's just because the way I cut it. If you use the other methods, you'll have more to grab onto. The way I use the dikes, it cuts it right away at a low point. So that's completely out. Now let me clean it up. All right, so clean the area. Clean back here on the bar. Okay. So get rid of that mosquito. We have tons of mosquitoes here. So next we're going to get it out of the way. Get this out of the way. Next, I'm just going to put these caps on. Like I said, I went with the yellows. They just come right here. right there. There's one. There's two. Oh yeah, that looks bitchin'. I like that. It is a little more zoomed up for you guys. I'm actually really digging it. It looks good. That looks sick. Heck yeah. Alright, now time to install the new grills. Okay. And here it is. Has a little film on it, so you don't get it dirty or scratched up when you're installing it. So I'm going to peel that back all the way around. And there you go, peel it back so you don't get your fingerprints all over it, you know. And then peel it off at the end. So we're just gonna literally go to the bottom. You're gonna want to start at the bottom first. Line it up. Like that, popped in, fill it. What a night and day difference. All right, here we go. Same thing we're gonna do on this one. Just gonna go ahead and peel the plastic. Just so we don't get it on there. Okay. And again, like I said, we'll start from the bottom corner so that clip lines up. Just like that, she's in. That's the new grill install, just like that. That's simple. It's only a little smudge marks right there. Okay, well, let me shut the hood. Sheesh. Oh wow. That just looks fantastic. I don't even know what to say. Like, so freaking aggressive, so clean. Wakes it up with the M Sport bumper and then the M mirror caps. Like, this car is really coming together, and it's really not a whole lot of money that I'm into right now. The brace bars were like $17. The grill, 40 bucks. Mirror caps, 40 bucks. You know what I mean? Like, and what a big difference it makes. So, and just showing you guys these videos that you guys can do this yourself in your garage. It's really, really simple. That took all of what? How long is this video? 15 minutes, maybe. You know. And that's, you know, as is, you guys see me do my struggles, first time doing it, and it really didn't take a whole lot. So anyways, that's going to do it for today's video. I hope you guys like the way it looks. Stay tuned, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Let's go. Yup.